Diego, what was the struggle?
Okay, the problem that we have, sometimes I get asked what we cut or if we cut something and I don't remember everything. So normally we came to this drawer and we searched through all these pages.
Chaos.
Yeah, it's crazy. So I decided to make two piles.
Yep.
On the center is gonna be what we got last week.
Yep.
We're gonna divide every day with a
clip.
With a clip.
Yep.
And on the right side, what we cut this week. So
nice.
If they ask me if I cut something, we'll say, well, this was cut last week or this week, and we just go to a specific file,
Perfect.
specific day.
That sounds great. Nice work. Rick and Brad, what's the improvement for the week?
Today I'm setting up the shipping supplies for our shipping guys, so they don't have to go all the way to the far end of the shop to grab wrap, corners, tape, whatever else they might
Perfect.
need. So setting it
It's
up
all
here,
going to be right here for us.
set it up so the wrap will be in a quick tube here,
Yep.
and the boxes of corners will go here.
Awesome. That was great. Nice work. Also, I'm not sure who it was. I think this area is still underway. I think Rick was making an improvement, but a dust cover was made for the printer. So excellent work. Excellent idea. Jenny was working on some helpful how-to videos of how to remove a nailer from a floating shelf that keeps appearing in our cabinet vision as we import the jobs. Great work. Melissa, what's your improvement for the week?
I made a spot for the white glue, white glue, and I made a
Crumb trail?
crumb trail
Yep,
of where
perfect.
to find the white glue.
Excellent, thank you. And you also changed the clock on the edge bander, which has been wrong for years, so thank you. Hey guys, before we talk about Mana's improvement, I just want to highlight how amazing it is when we bring in new team members, especially those who have worked in other different industries. Mana today solved a problem for us that I didn't even really know was a problem, but as soon as he brought this improvement to us, it was like, bang, perfect, great idea. So thank you, Mana, and thank you to all the new team members bringing good ideas forward.
When we put the things in a box like this, there's a lot of room. Yeah.
Yep, a lot of room in the box.
Sometimes you put the paper, something like that, just like that. There's still lots of room.
Still lots of room, yep.
Yeah. Now we go to this one. We can adjust any size.
Yep.
Yeah. Now, yeah, look at this. Which one is better? This side, this way, this way, this way. Yeah, yeah, I think it's okay. And goes to like, yep.
Yeah.
This
So it
way.
scores the cardboard.
Yeah. And cardboard. Make it smaller. Yeah, and we cut corners. Yeah. There we go to the.
Look at that, amazing. We made a smaller box.
Yeah, make a small box.
Very good improvement, thank you. This looks like a bit of a work in progress improvement, but we got some automatic soap dispensers, and we've added this bowl here, so we're going to work on that, I think, to get a proper drip tray. But that means that we're not having to move the soap when we clean the counter and everything, and the soap dispensing is all hands-free and nice.
This is another good example of improvement. Before I had to stand here 5 to 6 minutes holding the gun every time I needed to flush the pump or switch between colors, and that's usually 4 or more times a day. Now with the clips, I can just clip the gun, and by doing that I'm saving 5 to 6 minutes every time.
JP, what's your improvement for the week?
Right, so my favorite is when you're loading a CNC program,
Yeah.
click on program, search for it, but when you browse, I've labeled all the folders at the bottom numerically, so the one I'm always busy with is in progress, which is number 1.
Look at that. Progress is at the top. Very good.
Thank you.
Dennis, what's your improvement for the week?
This one for the fill stick
Yep.
that we always use. So whenever they use to touch up the panels, they always put it somewhere, like all over the place. So I made this this case,
Yep.
and then I put from D1 to 24.
Yeah.
So those are the location, and on the side you will see what's
Awesome.
on it, like the color on it, and then there's a code when you order.
Perfect.
Everything is in here.
Fantastic. Nice work. Evan made a great improvement this week. He has added a visual indicator to the match cabinet edge banding for our issuing team to see exactly what edge tape they're using. I think before it was just white, whether it was match door or match cabinet. Now it actually says on the edge tape what it is. Great work. Diego, you had one more as well, right?
Yeah, this is fixed for a long time. We fixed it. Normally we have light switches,
Yep.
but the more important one is the vacuum.
Yep.
It didn't work, so
Yep.
I don't want to turn it on right now because
Yep.
the noise,
Oh, we fixed the button.
but we fix it.
Now we have a visual indicator
Yeah.
whether the pump's on.
Yeah.
Great, nice one. Andy, what's your improvement for the week?
Improvement of the week is I make a lure so
Yep.
that when we are cutting something, I don't need to measure at the pieces. I can measure
Roughly, yeah.
from here and then right in here,
Yep.
and clamp it in.
Oh, got it. And you're good to go.
And we're good to go. Keep chopping the same thing.
Nice, good work. Okay, team, so this is an improvement that Victor and Rodrigo were working on. Unfortunately, when I was filming, my camera died, so my improvement was ordering a second battery. They took the cart that was here. We had a big unit here beside the outfeed conveyor, and they've mounted all the sorting station computer and everything they need on the post here. So now it's all out of the way, nothing in the floor to cause issues, and it'll be more user-friendly for the people doing the sorting as well. Awesome improvement, nice work. So another improvement that Diego worked on was we've added some labels to our Sharpies here and a tape measure. So if people don't have a tape measure when they're measuring the offcuts, they've got one right at their fingertips. Remember, we have to poke a yoke improvements, so to make them visual and to make them so that there isn't a possibility of error. Before we had the markings on here, when I came up to it, both of the Sharpies were kind of jammed in haphazardly like this, which is not how we want. So Diego's updated that and made it so that it's clear. They go in like this. Great work.